Hi guys, it's me, Caleb. It's Daddy again.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
This.
Megaformers.
Whoa.
Magnaformers
I
Smart
got
Set.
that for Christmas.
Holy moly.
Is that your favorite toy?
Yeah.
Look at these things.
Whoa.
What are we going to build today? You want to build some cars?
That looks like a giraffe. Oh, look at that plane up there.
Play.
All right, let's open it up.
I want to do the car.
That is so cool. All right, let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. So these are magnet blocks, and they stick to each other.
They're magnets.
Whoa!
Here's the bottom of the car.
Oh, and that's a wheel. Does it roll? Cool.
All the instructions on what to build. But I don't do instructions.
No, Daddy doesn't, does he? Look at
I do.
Oh
Me too.
man,
Look at
so
all
what
those
are we going to
cool
build? Oh, it's got
colors.
wheels.
Here's the dice.
All right, let's make some room. Let's do some wheels.
You want to do like some practice runs and like?
Roll the dice balls.
Okay, roll it, Caleb.
You got to make
Whoa.
the dice first. Look.
Got this one.
That's
gotta
cool.
make the dice.
So how do they stick together? You just stick them and they just.
Magic.
Oh. No.
Magic.
Those are so cool. Look at this. Oh, look, Caleb's already sticking together.
No, take it.
Yeah.
I take it off. What?
That is so cool. So wait, what color? We've got
I need number 2.
red. What color is this, Caleb?
Well, hold on, I need the number 2 for the dice.
Orange,
There.
blue, yellow, and green.
Look, we got dice.
I want to roll the
Wow. Okay, are you gonna roll it?
dice. Yeah.
Ready?
Whoa!
Oh, you got a number 3. High five. That's so cool.
I'm going to build it.
Okay, what are we gonna build?
Let's.
A car.
A car?
Car.
What?
All right, let's do it.
All right.
Let's do it.
Should we get all of our pieces out, or should we just take them out of the
Let's
box?
just take out what we need.
Okay.
All right, scoot
Sounds
over
good.
so we have some room. You do a car and I'll do a car, and then
All
we'll race them.
right. That's cool.
I need another car.
Okay. Here, let's
Does
put
it connect
these together.
like? Oh, cool. Whoa!
We watched Kunatana.
Kunatana. Oh, we watched The Lion King. That's right. Akuna Matata. Can you say that? Say Akuna Matata.
Means no worries.
Okay. Oh, you better hurry. Look at Dad's
I'm gonna
got
build
a
a better
cool
one.
car.
I'm gonna build a better one.
Whoa.
Here's mine.
You gotta add some more stuff to it. Bro. Here, why don't we add, look, you can add your dice to it, make like a dice card.
Yeah.
See? Yeah, you
And
can add
this of the back of it.
that is, oh, that's cool. I like that one. Here, if you maybe put one on the side, I'll hold this up so you can put that up. Can you get it?
This
We gotta hurry. Dad's almost done with his car.
Daddy, don't do yours yet.
That's so
I'll do
Yeah.
cool.
Do it.
Look,
It's gonna be
and
better.
then put one here.
You got a dice car.
This is super cool, Dad.
Man.
And then put one back there. Can you fit one back there? There we go.
Akuna Matata.
Dad's being so
Look at
silly.
No.
Wow!
Daddy, you need to add more stuff.
More
We
stuff.
need to add more stuff. What else do we have over
I'm a
here?
number 5.
That is
Let's
so
see at the
cool. I love that, Caleb.
And then one
Ooh, look, you could add some more stuff to the top too, like Daddy's. Look, let's see what else we have in here. We've got some, oh, there's a bunch of stuff down here. Look at these. Look, Caleb, you can add like those around the side.
up on the top.
On the top, oh, very cool. Oh, look, here's some more. We're gonna make ours taller than Dad's. How about that? Will that
I
work?
don't think so.
Will that work? Ah, I see toes.
Daddy. Oh yeah, Daddy.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Uh-oh, the die.
Oh no. Are we ready to race?
All right, let's
Yeah.
All right, get next to Daddy and we'll race. Okay, are you guys ready to see the cars? All right, Daddy, let's show yours.
Okay, mine is pointy and aerodynamic, lightweight for fast moving.
Mine is a rocket ship.
Whoa!
What?
I think you're gonna have some.
This is a high
competition.
one.
That is very high.
I will tell you what it is. It's a 1
What is the name of your amazing race car, Caleb?
A fortune.
A Fauchol?
A faucho? What's a faucho?
No, not that. This is a waff.
A waff?
A waff?
A waff and a faucho?
A fortune.
A foster?
All right, Daddy, what's the name of your race car?
Spike.
Oh, I like that. Caleb, I think yours should be called Bruiser.
No, it's white.
That's mine.
No,
That's mine.
Okay.
Take mine.
All right, so here we go.
All right, let's see
get
who
our
wins.
cars up
They're
and
gonna race.
see who can race.
The fastest across.
All right, here's the finish line.
Okay, ready? Go!
I win! Yes, I win!
Yours is destroyed.
Wait a second.
What
happened
is
to your
that?
car?
Here's a
Oh, man.
pile of junk.
You can do that, Daddy. You can't race. I'm to do it.
What do you
I'll have to
mean?
do a replay to see who won because
All
that was
right,
a
go
pretty
back.
close
Let's
one.
look at the tape and see who won. Caleb,
I won on the top.
yours is wrecked beyond repair.
Yeah, you have to build a new one. All right, friends, so we're going to build another race
Come on.
car and race some more. Ah!
I win. Troy, Daddy.
What? Oh,
Hey,
no!
I worked hard on that.
The race is over.
Oh man.
Click the like button.
Click the like button, friends. We're going to build some more cars. And if you want to see more videos of Daddy and Caleb, subscribe.